A lot of people ask us about the craft workshops that we have done previously. Here are some examples of the crafts that we have done in the past events, including sales and corporate activities, birthday parties, and road shows.
DIY heat shrink keychains, cream clay mirrors, DIY Mother's Day gifts, UV resin keychains, clay on canvas, ketupat keychains for Hari Raya, acrylic painting on canvas, clay portrait expressions, candle making, soap making, lion dance and dragon clay for Chinese New Year, paper gingerbread house for Christmas, clay cars and houses, favorite cartoon character clay, DIY Halloween hairbands, fruit art for corporate events, mooncake making, miniature food clay cakes, favorite character clay on canvas, cupcake making, upcycle bottle crafts, polymer clay earrings workshop, and many more.
If you need a creative craft workshops for your next event, do not hesitate to contact us for inquiry or quotation. I'm Fong from Malaysia Clay Art. See you at the next workshop.